Emma, you're a good kitty meow.
And any further data customer.
Emma,
Look at
remind me of the special needs kid at my school. What?
Oh, that's a messed up page.
No. Wow. No.
I don't have one, but I might be able to Google one. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. We're just about to start the day. Morning.
Morning.
What was that? Morning.
I'm getting my phone. That was you. I thought that was Emma. That's hilarious. I'm taking my phone to school.
You are? You little rule breaker, rebel, you.
I'm allowed to now.
Oh.
Because Mr. Simon, when she forgot her cell phone the other day and ran it back to my car and almost got ran over by other cars, he said, honey, why didn't you just turn it off and put it in the bottom of your bag and nobody would know what's in there? That teacher! The one teacher who pops everybody for cell phones.
Yeah, you can have them as long as... He never has done that, Mom.
Huh?
You can have them if they're off.
Wait, one at a time. What?
He never done that, the teacher.
You can have them if they're off.
Paige, I'm talking!
No.
What's whole?
What's whole?
Real.
I wanted to say a different thing.
Jeez, guys. Jeez.
I'm taking me to school.
Goals. I'll take you.
Emma, coffee!
I'll take her, babe.
She's got ghetto friends, Dad.
Yeah.
Like, they'd pull a knife out on me if I walked up. She'd be like, oh, you're the girl? Oh, you're the girl. And then, like, pull that switchblade.
Dang.
She would. But yeah, he started talking about Mexico and stuff, and then he's like, oh my God, Mexico is like so fun. Like, it's so much better than Clovis. I didn't even like feel white there. I felt like I fit in. Like, boy, you as white as my booty.
Oh, hang on.
Oh my God.
I'm blocking the car.
Chill, fam.
Alright, okay, good.
Oh, my coffee. Just give me a moment. Okay, coffee.
Cool. Have a good day, baby.
Thank you.
Love you. What is up, guys? Good morning. It is Tuesday and we're starting the vlog off here. Just got my daughter off at school. I'm gonna go back, pack up my stuff and head into the office. Howdy. Alright, man, I'm home. I'm gonna eat dinner. Alright, talk to you. Bye. What's up, girl?
Good.
How's your day?
Good. Devin's here. She never gets to be in the vlog, so come on.
You wanna be in the vlog?
Devin, you want to be in the vlog? Sure. Hi.
Hi, how's it going? Hi, winner, chicken dinner.
Start the barbecue room.
Time's your meeting?
7.
Oh, 7, good. I thought you had to leave at 6.
No. I didn't want to be like dinner be done at 6:30. I wanted to be done early so we could like sit down and enjoy it. So I'm gonna like run into my meeting.
I gotta load everything, set my stuff up. I gotta get a file out real quick.
Room's clean if you want to work in there.
Cool.
I'll be there to fully load really quick.
My laptop comes tomorrow.
Exciting!
Can't wait.
Do you want me to go pick it up for you?
Yeah, if it comes in.
Ready out to you? Well,
Yeah.
sure. Tomorrow's a weird day, so check to see timing.
Yeah.
Day.
If
Go
it-
get out early.
Doing homework. Cool. What's up? What you doing?
Doing my homework with my teacher.
Cool.
Because he posted a
Lucy
YouTube
looks
video.
sleepy. Look at her.
He posted a YouTube video of the entire thing.
Oh,
So
nice. You gonna start doing that?
he does it with every review packet.
Darn it.
His voice is so annoying, so I'm playing music. Want to hear it?
Yeah.
It was almost an A. Listen to his voice.
Used to find x. I'm going to set up a triangle that's similar. One that has 90 degrees and 50 degrees, so they're similar by angle, but with a hypotenuse of 1.
You talk too fast.
It's fast because I
I was like, does he talk that fast? Dude, how would you learn anything?
No, do you want to hear how
He
he
had it on
talks?
multi-speed.
Because he's taking forever.
1, then the opposite's going to be sine of 50 degrees.
Oh, that's worse.
Oh my god.
That's why you set it up.
The cosine of 50 degrees.
That made me fall asleep in math class.
Yeah, I do. That's why I don't get anything done.
Dude, you should show Mom.
Speed times 3.
That's hilarious. You should show Mom that. Like, that would explain a lot why you fall asleep. Homework day. You guys are watching this. This is gonna be Flying Santa. He's gonna be hung from my Phantom 4 and flown all over Clovis. It's only a pound. Yeah. Super light. See that? Oh, it goes are up. So I'm gonna fly him like Superman, like this. Like flying like Superman forward. What do you think?
Nice. It's gonna work.
So he's going on my Phantom 4.
See you back to vlogging. You have to, Dad.
I know.
It just fits you.
Right? You guys are watching the vlog. Alright, so I'm trying to rig these up. I got Paige's dinosaur outfit for Halloween. And I got my new Santa for my drone Christmas prank. And what I gotta do is make this plug right here accept this battery pack right here. Hopefully it works. So now we're gonna go take the extra sand out, all the extra weight we don't need, because we're gonna be flying it up in the air with the drone, and we need to get rid of the extra pound of sand. Sledding in the house.
I should duct tape my penny around it.
Hey, dinner's ready. Oh, I scared her.
You're my son.
I scared her.
See? That is being rude. Oh my god, these ones are thicker.
You scared my baby.
I scared her. You want to see it? Emma, you're a good kitty now.
Emma, remind me of the special needs kid at my school.
What?
Oh, that's messed up, Paige.
No.
Wow.
No, listen.
Turn around. He thinks he's a cat. No, he thinks he's a chihuahua. No, he thinks he's a dog. No, he goes, he does like he does the growl thing. Yeah, he does that.
Easy.
Yes, and then he's like, feels like he's a jaguar at some other times. What? Like you walk by him.
He's multi-animal.
Yeah. Multi-mammal. He's very like I walked by him once and he went, and I was like, let's chill. Yeah.
How do you know?
He's very scary. Are you ready? Ready? Making noises. Wait, ready? I need a good zombie for Halloween.
Scared Rosie.
She's like, everything scares Rosie. True.
How about if you, just as an experiment, try letting me help?
Gotta go get some work done. Dinner's over. Paige's doing dishes. I got a bunch of work to do, and I'm gonna finish my Santa project. The refrigerators went out. Freezer went out.
Open it up.
Oh, that's perfect. That's how it's supposed to sound. It's cold.
Hey guys,
Oh yeah, it is.
he's sitting at the table and he has a cup of coffee and the house is on fire around him. He's like, I'm fine. Everything is fine. And he takes the cup of coffee, he goes to drink it, and it's all over him, and his face starts melting. He's like, I'm fine. And it's just me.
Maybe there's something still frozen.
I want my ice cream.
It's getting cold.
Yeah?
You don't hear it when the door's shut.
No, but
Where's my ice cream? Oh.
Well, if it doesn't go away, you have to thaw it out some more tomorrow. Hey, Mama. Love you. Go to sleep. It's bedtime. Night, sweetie.